Gold is currently on its way down. Yesterday the price formed a bearish candle, a continuation of the previous week on Friday, where the price formed this strong bearish candle and the bearish breakout. The price has retraced slightly back up, testing the previous support 4105.86 and now acting as a resistance, and then continue to lose its value. The price has reached the support level 4021.78. If you have watched my analysis in the weekly on a Saturday, you can see that I have mentioned that this is expected outcome, that the price could return back down, continue losing its value. Let's see yesterday on the 4-hour time frame how the price has behaved. Yesterday, since the morning, the price, as we can see, the price retraced back down, retraced back up, testing the previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then the price continued to lose its value during the day. The price has reached 4-hour time frame support level 4057.32. Then slightly retraced back up, trying to recover, going further up, but we can see the price formed this bearish pin bar, and then the price formed indecision candle with a larger wick on the upside, smaller wick on the lower side, which means indecision between the buyers and the sellers. Then we can see the price formed this bearish candle, which has closed below the open and close price of these two candles, which means this was a small bearish breakout below the small support level here, and then after that the price has continued to lose its value even further down. The price formed this bearish candle, going even further down, reaching 4021.78, which is a daily support level. Then strongly retraced back up, we can see that here, and then continue to lose its value again with this 4-hour time frame candle. This is the scenario for today, how the price is currently behaving, starting the day with a strong bearish candle. Now, what we can expect today, what will happen? First of all, on the daily time frame, I can see that we have a bearish candle that has been formed yesterday. It did not close at the support level. It has bounced in from this area of support, but currently the price is moving further down. Now I'm expecting the price will be around this area of support, but how far and will it make a bearish breakout? This is something that we need to watch closely on the 4-hour time frame. Right here, what we can see, it is a strong bearish candle that has closed below this area of support, which means a small bearish breakout, not so strong. For example, like in this example, we have a strong bullish breakout. This is a small bearish breakout indicating further decline in value, and we can see I already have shared this information with the traders inside the premium analysis that I am expecting that the price will drop down further down, reaching this area of support, which is 3989, we can round this number, which is very close to this area of support at the amounts on are at 3979.35. Now, why this one here? Why not this one here? Because we can see that many of these candles open and close price levels are around these levels, and we can see these wicks are also crossing this level, which means high probability that the price will reach this area of support. Why not this one here? Well, for example, let's see what happens when the bearish breakout happens. The bearish candles forms. We can see here the price did not reach with this candle. Then with this one, it has also not reached. With this one did not reach, this one did not reach, these ones did not reach. For example, these ones did not reach. So there is also potential that the price goes further down, reaching this area and then bouncing back up, which means I completely lose all the profits I have got. So I always try to get out from the trades on the first attempt when the price tries to reach the target, not on the second attempt, which could also happen. But it could also happen that the price reaches this area and then reverse back up, continue to rise in value, never reaching this area of support. So this is why I like to get out from the trades a year earlier, which means before the price reaching specifically the support on the resistance levels, in this case this support level here. So if you would like to receive these updates during the day, feel free to check the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so join other traders. Now, in this case, what I can see on the 1-hour time frame, I can see that it is already bearish breakout has been formed at this area of support, and the price is continuing to lose value even further down, forming these bearish candles. So this is indication for me that the price is continuing to lose its value. So I'm expecting that the price will for sure reach this area of support, which is around 4,000. If you take a look here on the 1-hour time frame, we will see that 3999 is a 1 hour time frame, a support level which is highly probable that the price will reach. On the 4 hour time frame, I can see that there is a potential that the price will go further down, reaching this area of support. So this is the target for today, and then after that I will see what happens on the market. Will the price manage to make a bearish breakout, going even further down below 3979.35, or the price will bounce, retrace, probably trying to make a bullish breakout here. It's something that we need to go 1 hour by hour and see how the price behaves around the support and resistance levels, and how the market reacts, in which direction the price is trying to move. For now, I'm still bearish oriented. What I can see currently on the daily time frame, if price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support, we can see that the next support is right here, 3945.76, where the price could reach and go. On the weekly time frame, we can see currently we have a bullish candle format, could not manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, so there is high potential the price reverses back down, reaching this area of support. And we can see that on the weekly time frame, open and close price levels of these candles are right here. So around 4,000 as a round number is the next target, where I'm expecting the price will reach, especially 3989, which is currently the target on the 4 hour time frame. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.